Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends! I've got a couple oddities here. And you're thinking, what do you mean? Well, these were a couple of Mega Bloks plates that we found, and, well, there's different colors in there. So are they camouflage, or are they actually a mistake that was made when they were made? Does that make sense? A mistake that was made when they were made? Well, yeah, kinda. So, what I'm guessing this is it happens at Lego too, but Lego takes their mismolded bricks and melts them back down. However, Mega Bloks kind of just lets them go, or they used to anyway, and it would get through. And this is what the end result is. It comes from when they're changing the colors in the mold from either, say, black or green to purple. In this case, there's a little bit of the previous color still left in the injection process in the system, in the lines, if you want to call it that feed the molds. So the first couple injections of the new color will have some remnants of the previous color. So as you can see here, there's like some green here and some black and whatnot. So there may have been like a camouflage black and purple for this particular, for this particular color plate. Where it was in a halo set. However, the green here, this one here, is predominantly bright green. So it tells me that this was like, that green was in the mold right here when this one was injected, and it was like the reject before the actual purple and black or just purple was to come out. So this is what it looks like here. So let's just hold it up here closer. Yeah, and you can see the embossing on the top of that plate. That is of the newer Mega Bloks because it has the round circles on it. So these are of the newer. But okay, there we go. There's some good coloring there. You can see where it's coming through. So yeah, it's kind of a mismatch. Kind of neat, eh? Just thought I'd bring this out to everyone's attention. Lego always takes theirs and melts them back down, but these are the Mega Bloks ones, and I just wanted to show you kind of a rear plate, so we're going to keep that aside as a souvenir. It's really cool, eh? Let me know your thoughts and opinions on that. Please, please, please comment down below and let me know. Thanks. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.